today, guys, we are going to Mudbash. It is the second day. Yesterday was Thursday. We rode dirt bikes around. We had a lot of fun. But today is when the real craziness starts. It's Friday. So we're gonna head over there. I'm waiting on Ryan, and we're gonna head over there and we're gonna sell some t-shirts. We are gonna go ride. We're gonna go film some sick stuff for you guys. So stay tuned and let's head to Busco Beach. Alright, so we're just rolling up into base camp here. All the vendor lots looking cool out here. They're dang, Gator Waders is ripping right now. Dude. Okay. But we are pulling up to the trailer now. We're gonna hop out and get some stuff ready to go rip today and have a bunch of fun out at Busco Beach. I'm excited. Ryan's excited. And we gotta go see some other people.
Yo, tell the world what's up.
What's up?
This is what we took Miller out in last night. This is all his fans right here. They're waiting to see him, but he's hiding.
Alright guys, so we have been chilling here for a little while, sold some shirts. I got the drone up in the air, but now we're gonna go find Kyle, Braden, Joe. We're gonna find all those guys and make a sick edit for them. So guys, let's go find them. I don't even know what they're up to. 336 the game! That's the game, baby! We got this giant. Hey, we're going over there. Right. We're trying to go. Let's 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 go, let's go! Stay lion, boy! This is gonna be sick, so let's cut into the montage, baby. Can't park there. How you like that? Miller, are you a YouTuber? Yeah. Somebody gave me a break.
Yeah. Ask me what it feel like, staring at the sky so vanilla, telling Kurt Russell, homie, this ain't real life. I'll be making good on my promises. Honesty is confidence, a lot of it is missing, but I realize I could be better than I was. Lighter on my feet, cooking up the soul when we fire up the beat. Let the fire underneath me, higher when I speak, like I'm climbing up a steep tree. Ooh, come and greet me. After the show, after the lights, after the shine, after the hoes, half of them yours, half of them mine. Happen to find they grill me, but I'm the chef you want. Once you get a little taste, I'ma buy the restaurant, saying that taste is on, chase is on. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on.
I don't think he's a Swamp King anymore.
Braden, what happened, dude?
It's sunk.
No.
There's the drain plug.
No.
The Muffin Man.
Busco Beach, ladies and gentlemen.
He's also a Muffin Man. Dude, you munching?
Muffin Man.
Dude, he's over here.
Why are you making out with the muffin, dude?
Right, you got Muffin Man. He's eating and filming.
Muffin Man.
What is it?
The Muffin Man.
Yo, you gotta be. I want some Muffin.
Jesus. Braden.
What? Braden. Shoot him!
Shoot! Shoot! Boom! 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 Kyle, what's going on?
Somebody done messed something up. That's right, great.
For a second.
Alright, go ahead, Luke.
So,
give us the update.
we were in the sand pit over there. I think it's new. I don't know. They were all, cruising in the.
You're really bad at this.
I don't know. You can cut all this. This is all gonna be cut.
No, it's not.
Okay. They were cruising over there, Kyle was leaning up front, Braden was right behind him, and he was just chilling on his four-wheeler. And then, bam, just cut off.
That'd be awesome.
And now we're here. We don't know why it sunk. Well, it didn't even sink because there's no water in the airbox, so a lot of mysteries.
Okay, if you want a barbecue sandwich, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I got Christian a Celsius today. You gotta stay strapped with them, dude. They help you out a lot.
They really do.
They're nice and they're healthy. -ish.
Yeah, best energy drink on the market,
Yeah, oh,
Celsius.
for sure.
Links in the description.
Water out top end.
All right, so they got it running. It's time to go back out. Time to go rip again. These guys are goofballs, so let's go get it.
Brayden! Brayden! What's up, dude? Brayden's a big fan.
Big fan, dude.
Oh!
That's unfortunate.
That's where I had the Audi earlier.
Oh, right there? God dang.
Left, straight, little left, hard right.
I'm always right.
We got a lot of weight back there. Go, post shot, go.
Just go.
Go.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ride. Nathan Parker came over to my tent while I was filming the drone footage as you guys saw earlier, but I think we're gonna go and go race him on the pit bike track. It's kind of fun. I got a 125, he's got a 110, like maxed out. He's got ECU tune, freaking exhaust intake, everything. So we're gonna go race him at the kids track. That's what we're about to go do. Let's get to it. All right, let's put this up. I'm probably gonna get clapped, but it's okay. We're all gonna be here. You ready to do this, man? All right. Oh man, I'm in shorts and boots. Nathan's also in shorts and boots. Really well prepared for this race. What should we race for? Should I make it interesting? Should be fun. The rain's coming in. Yeah, I just saw Nathan. Nathan's like, you wanna ride pit bikes? I was like, sure, dude. I'll ride pit bikes with you real quick. Yeah, Nathan. Heck yeah, this kid sends it, I swear, man. Dude, there's some sick units out here. I hope my vlog's going well. And if it's not, I apologize, but it's been a hectic day. Braden sunk his outlander to the first hole, and then we went and shot Cinemax somewhere else. And I just don't know how the whole vlog's going. I know I'm getting a lot of cool shots for you guys, but I just don't know how the vlog's coming out. But I hope this little part of the vlog is pretty funny for you guys. I don't know how good I'm gonna be able to race against Nathan. Nathan's pretty fast. All right. God, oh God, I need my roost deflector. Come here, Nathan. Nathan, no. Oh my God, no way. It's too fast. I can't keep up with him. He's ripping it. All right, how about you ride this and I ride your pit bike? Come here, Nathan. I'm coming for you. Come here, Nathan. All right. Safe to say, Nathan's probably way faster than me. Oh, dude, I wish I had my pit bike so we could actually go at it. Hey, next time though, for sure. Dude, I'm so worn out. I think it is time to call it a day on this unit because I don't want to tear it up. And huge shout out to Performances for letting me ride this thing. We gotta go make sure this thing's nice and clean before we get back in. And then hop in another unit with somebody else. So, see how things go. But today was pretty fun. So it's a little bit raining. Got my ride right there, but we're gonna try to stay dry today.
It's like S-O-L-O.
This is what we're doing tonight when they're playing the music.
That's actually really funny.
All right, I'm trusting you. Don't fall down.
Keep recording, keep recording.
I got you, Garrett! Oh! Ah, my teeth!
We gonna take mine with us.
Oh, no! I'll let you go, bitch! Ah! I can't breathe. He's legit. Stop! I didn't know you were gonna choke me out!
Well, I wasn't about to go.
Oh, I can't breathe. I'm lightheaded.
Welcome to Busco, ladies and gentlemen.
Woo!
All right, Garrett, what are we doing? What's the plan?
We are going drag racing.
We're going drag racing.
Going drag racing.
And what are we driving?
We are driving that.
I'm excited. Are you
Hell
excited?
yeah, dude. It's always a good time.
Have you ridden in it yet?
Yeah.
Dude, unfortunately, this year I didn't have my side-by-side, but Kyle was like, dude, just take it out, go have fun for a little while. And Ryan was like, I want to race you. And so we're going to go racing. We're going to go racing.
We're going to go drag race.
We're going to
You're
go
losing. You're going down, buddy.
I don't know about that one.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. So we're gonna hop in the X3 and we're gonna see you guys down at the drag strip. I'm excited. No way. What? That's a pit wheeler right there, baby. All right, we're pulling up to the drag strip. There's a lot of people here. All right, you ready?
Oh yeah.
I spun so much. I gotta put it in 4-wheel drive.
I lost my hat!
No!
Not another one! Oh, there goes my hat!
Oh, is it a good hat?
Yeah!
Come back and look for it.
Turn around right now!
Bro, it's a hat. Search for Garrett's hat continues. I held on to my, I was like, oh!
I had both hands, I was like, ah! I felt it just slipping off.
That's fun. Alright, let's head back to camp and give Kyle his unit back. Oh my god, Carly! You're the best! What's up, buddy? You wanna drive? You wanna drive? You wanna drive? Why do you hate me now? This was my best friend 2 years ago. Oh, what? You driving the unit? Yeah. You tell him. You tell him. Guys, it is day 2 now, or day 3, day 4. It's Saturday, so it's the big day. We are just getting to Busco. It's about 11 o'clock right now. We got the booth set up, and we are about to get on with our day. My sister's coming to sell some merch for you guys. It's go time. It's the big day. It's Saturday. So last night, the party was crazy. Stuff went down. You love to hear it. So get some shots of the mud races today. I've got a lot to do here, and it kind of put a dampening on my trip, not having the X3 or my pit bike this weekend, so it's been hard to get content, and I hope you guys are still enjoying this video. It's go time. It's Saturday. Let's get to it. What's up, bud? Time to go get some shots?
What?
Time to get some shots?
Yes.
Attitude's a little bit shit. Wanna take it to the city. She talk shit just for being pretty. Why you like that? That a God, I can tell she didn't like that. Now she wanted me to fight back. Wild as hell, thank God I didn't like that. She got a fat ass though. Pretty in the face, but no, she's psycho. I still like pipe though. For a second I was thinking this is gonna be mine. But I'm really saying screw it, baby. 'Cause bitch you crazy. Swear that bitch you crazy.
Oh my goodness. I'll see you later, dude. Hey, your video was good. The rainy video was good.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
My teeth are kind of look at this.
Oh my god, Garrett. Alright, well, go feel better, alright?
I feel fine. My teeth hurt.
Hey, bud. How you feeling today?
Wonderful. I didn't drink last night. I didn't party last
That's
night.
what I'm saying,
I went to
dude.
bed.
You feel refreshed right now?
I had no fights happened in my group last night. Nobody got alcohol poisoning. Nobody got hurt. Nobody got lost.
Hey,
nothing
it sounds
broke.
like a successful night.
Just went to sleep.
Alright, I'll see you back in town. Fun time, Mudbash 22 to 2.
We'll see you, man.
Alright, buddy, I'll see you. Bud?
It's been real, and it's been fun, but it ain't been real fun.
Hey, where's your voice at?
I better at the barn.
Hey, well, have a safe drive home.
You too, buddy.
I'll see y'all.
Don't forget my damn SD card.
Oh man, ain't nobody left out here today. Mudbash on Sunday. Everybody's packing up. All the vendors have basically left, and it was really good to see everybody. Always one for the books, and I'm just excited that I was able to bring you guys along for myself this year, even though I do want to apologize. Everything kind of went wrong for me this year, but It was my first year by myself, so kind of expected. Huge shout out to Performance East for lending me that bike for the day. I wouldn't have been able to make content without it, and I wouldn't have been able to make content without all my friends. Like, let's see here. Braden, Kyle, Joe, O2 Off-Road, Dawson and Chloe were awesome to hang out with. Christian, Tyler, Julius, Garrett, Ryan, everybody helped me out so much this year to help me with my video. But next year, guys, next year's gonna be the one. Next year's gonna be the big one. I'm gonna have to, you know, do it really big because I'll have my X3 hopefully by then, and hopefully I'll have the next week. So I wanna apologize because I didn't get the content out that I had planned on making, but I hoped I did it good enough to make you guys entertained for at least one video. So I'm gonna end off the video here. It's been a long one, it's been a fun one. Let's see what else we got in store. So you guys killed the Mudbash prep video. You guys probably killed the Moto Vlog Busco video. So I hope you guys will continue to support me by liking and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. We got some cool stuff coming. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.
What's going on? Miller's Vlog.
Miller's Vlog here, guys.
We're here live.
No fun content, but we're here and that's what's important.
Yeah, so Miller's probably off riding around with some dudes, but we're all here with the guys too. So
I hate riding dudes. Shit sucks.
So anyways, guys, I hope you are enjoying this vlog. Miller's worked his ass off on this one. He sold hella merch. Thanks for buying all the merch. So anyways, very limited merch, so be sure if you see it, cop it.
Watch, I'm gonna grab this stick,
Ooh,
move
ooh.
it, and push it.
Bro, you got a snorkel on this thing?
Yep.
Where? Oh,
right here.
Where's the horn?
Right here.
Oh, but it's got to be on. Don't turn it on though, cause
I got you.
I won't be able to hear you.